Thunder races on. Stand by your man from the outside. Dugo. Anak Papato down on the inside is Granil. Happy Hour. Moving up by the rally survey. Dugo, Anak Pabato, stand by your men. Granil, Survey is running in port by Daral. And moving up from the outside, Pip Liza's Magic. Then comes Happy Hour. Forest All racing in 7th by Daral alongside Jupiter, Thunder, Big Bone. Royal Air, Sport Luster, Dust in the middle, live in Manila. And train number 14, Tempest. While Make No Mistake is running in 13th. Dugo, Anak Papato by 3/4 of a length. Liza's Magic from the outside survey and rushing a Happy Hour. Granil stand by our men as they race the final corner. Liza's Magic from the outside. Dugo, Anak Papato. Happy Hour on the father outside, down on the inside survey. Survey once again by the run. Forest All rushing up in the middle, moves up to take the lead. Forest All number 2 this time by some 3 lengths. And finally, Forest All, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat. Second survey, close for Happy Hour, live in Manila. Number 7, Granil, and I think Jupiter Thunder for your